on, goodies? Yeah, man. Today, a good girl is going to be making some cabbage, and me gonna make it with corned beef. Cabbage and corn beef, the Caribbean way. So, goodies, now make the video nice, easy, and short. So here, I already cut up the cabbage. You can cut the cabbage any how you want it, to be honest. I have some bell peppers. I have some thyme. I have hot pepper, half of a hot pepper, some tomatoes, and some onion. You can use green onion. And I'm going to add some garlic. I have some minced garlic here, but you can add any garlic of your choice. Alright, so let's start off with adding some butter to our pot. Over here I'm making some dumplings, so that's the pot with the water boiling out. So I'm going to add the dumplings soon. So here I have the corned beef goodies. So I'm just going to add the corned beef now to the pot. And I'm going to allow this to fry up for about another minute or two. You just want to toss it around and let it fry up for about a minute or two. Okay, goodies? Alright, goodies, so this is the corned beef. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the cabbage. I did add a little bit of water. So you can add some water because I didn't want to use a lot of oil. So I add some water, so I'm adding the cabbage. And then we're just gonna toss this in, and we're gonna add some powdered seasoning as well. Goodie, I've added some garlic pepper powder. That's the garlic pepper powder there. And some Maggi chicken seasoning. You can add the all-purpose. And I add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. So we're gonna toss this in now. So goodies, all we're gonna do now, we're gonna leave this to cook for about 5 minutes. And it is looking beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I'm telling you, if you want a little salt, you can add a little salt, but I don't like to cook with salt. Don't be shy with your seasoning. You can add whatever you want to your cabbage, but I am telling you, this is an amazing recipe. So I'm just gonna wait until it's steamed down a little bit. And then we have our dumplings over here boiling. And we have some sweet potatoes. Yeah, so that's dinner. So goodies, as you can see, the cabbage look pretty much cooked. It all depends on how you like your cabbage. I want a little bit of crunch. There's still some gravy. That's okay because I want it to eat with my dumplings. But if you need to dry it down a little bit more, you can let it go down some more. But I want the crunch in the cabbage. So this is the authentic Jamaican cabbage and corned beef with my dumpling them over here. So lad, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the recipes, this recipe goodie. Let me know if you will be trying my corned beef and cabbage recipe. Beautiful. So this is the final result, my friends. Look at that. Beautiful cabbage and corned beef. Pair this with rice or dumpling or roti, you name it, bananas. It is just awesome and delicious. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about my recipe. Until next time, what good.